Even if you've been using Gmail for years, you may be just scratching the surface of its powerful features. With thousands of customers and decades of experience as a Google expert, I'm here to share some game-changing tips that will transform the way you use Google tools. Hi, I'm Peter Moriarty, and I'm helping Peter create some of his videos while he helps support our customers. Now let's start with tip number 1, Gmail's undo send. So you've just hit send on an email and immediately notice a glaring typo. No worries. Gmail has your back with the undo send feature. Go to the settings gear in the top right corner. Click See All Settings, and under the General tab, set the undo send option to up to 30 seconds. Now you have a buffer to catch and fix those last-minute errors before they reach the recipient. Tip number 2, schedule send in Gmail. Now, ever wanted to send an email at the perfect time? Using the Gmail schedule send, you can compose your message now and send it later. Write your email, click the drop-down arrow next to the send button and choose schedule send. Pick your ideal date and time, and your email will be sent exactly when you want. This is perfect for catching your colleagues at their most attentive moments. Tip number 3, email templates for quick replies. Responding to repetitive emails can be a time sink. Streamline your workflow with email templates. In the settings, click on the Advanced tab and enable templates. Draft your common responses, save them as templates, and insert them with a click whenever needed. This feature is especially handy for customer support or regular inquiries. Tip number 4, customizing your email address. Want to organize your inbox or track subscriptions better? Google allows you to modify your email address with dots or plus signs. For example, john.doe@gmail.com and johndoe@gmail.com are the same to Google. Similarly, john.though plus newsletters@gmail.com will still reach you. Use these tweaks to filter and categorize incoming emails efficiently. Tip number 5, activate dark theme in Gmail. Now, after a long day of staring at a bright screen, give your eyes a break with Gmail's dark theme. To do this, click on the settings gear, select themes, and choose the dark theme option. This feature not only reduces eye strain, but also gives your inbox a sleek, modern look. Tip number 6, split pane mode in Gmail. Ever want to view your inbox and an email simultaneously? Toggle on split pane mode by clicking the split pane button in the top right corner. This will allow you to read emails without navigating away from your inbox, making multitasking much easier. Tip number 7, go offline with Gmail. Ever needed to access your emails without internet? Enable Gmail's offline mode under the offline tab in settings. This lets you read, respond to, and search your emails even when you're offline. Perfect for long flights or remote areas without internet access. Quick pause. If you found these tips helpful so far, but need more personalized advice or support, visit itGenius. We offer instant technical support for businesses around the world. Just book a free consultation with our expert team using the link in the description. Now back to tip number 8, master keyboard shortcuts. Press Shift plus question mark to see all available shortcuts. For example, press C to compose a new email or E to archive. These shortcuts will make navigating through your inbox faster and more efficient. Tip number 9, mute annoying conversations. Tired of never-ending email threads cluttering your inbox? Just mute them. Right-click on the conversation and select Mute. Future emails in that thread will skip your inbox, helping you keep things tidy and focused. Tip number 10, multiple email signatures. Switching between different email contexts? Set up multiple email signatures. In the settings under the General tab, create and manage different signatures. Easily switch between them while composing emails to fit your different roles or messages perfectly. Tip number 11, organize with custom stars. Take your email organization to the next level with custom stars. In settings, you can enable various colored stars and symbols to categorize emails. This helps you prioritize and manage your inbox more effectively. Tip number 12, set up vacation responder. If you're planning a vacation, it's best to set up a vacation responder under the General tab in Settings. This will automatically inform your contacts that you're away and when you'll be back. It's a courteous way to manage expectations while you're out of the office. Tip number 13, clean up space. The best way to deal with running out of space in your Google account is to search for and delete large emails. Click the down arrow in the search bar, set a size parameter, and get rid of unnecessary large emails. This will free up valuable storage space. Tip number 14, use Gmail and other email clients. If you're one of those business owners who prefer using Outlook or another email client, then you can enable POP or IMAP in the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab in Settings. This allows you to access your Gmail from any email client you prefer, integrating seamlessly into your workflow. Check out the other videos on my channel to see why I don't recommend this. Tip number 15, customize your inbox layout. Make your inbox work for you by customizing its layout. In Settings, experiment with different inbox types like Important First, Unread First, or Priority Inbox. Find the layout that helps you stay organized and on top of your emails. That's the 15 game-changing Gmail tips you need to know. I hope it helps, and see you in the next one.